Hello viewers, welcome to another additional War Robots test server. This is 2018, February 24th and 25th. It is test version 3.7.0, iteration 411. And in this test server, there is the Mercury robot, which has had some changes. There's the description now. Durability at level 8, 118,000, speed 47 kilometers an hour at level 8. The special ability is a Helldive, damage of 30,750, which is quite a lot. 3 seconds of stealth. The cooldown is 18 seconds. Apparently, the durability has been increased, the speed has been increased, and the ability damage increased. So there's a number of buffs here. Also, the ion weapon also has a description now. It says a heavy slot, but it's incorrect. It should be a medium. And the range is 600 meters, reload time 5 seconds. The damage increase is what has been done to this weapon. That's about it. See this description again, see if there's anything that stands out. Alright, so with that, let's get started. I've also placed the ion on these two robots with medium weapons. On the Mercury, I've placed shotgun weapons in one case and plasma weapons. They recommend here Dragoon and Magnum. I somewhat disagree. I'd say that the Redeemer, which is 350, matches the Magnum better in terms of distance. And there is a new map called the Castle. Let's see if we get that map. That's not guaranteed, unfortunately. Oh, but we might get it, because it appears there is this map with no textures. It's a good chance I'm going to get lost here. As with starting any new introduction, it will go through these steps of the tutorial. Okay, so I can't see what's going on here. It's hard to, oh, I see this. That's actually a passageway. Okay, this is quite an interesting map. And then it goes into invisibility. Oh, I fell. Oh, I got destroyed somehow. Let's try this again. This is unfortunately the jump should not be used. I think I see. So I must have been destroyed. Oh, I see. I got destroyed because I fell into a water space of some sort. So you cannot fall into this water space, or you will be destroyed. If you fall into this gap, you get destroyed. I think someone just got destroyed there. Yeah, someone got destroyed because you fell into that. So you really can't see very well here, so you can be pushed probably as well. I see. So there's this moat. If you fall into this moat, you get destroyed. Yeah, Redeemer's not a bad weapon on this robot. I'll probably have to try this again and see the gust and thunder in action. Yeah, so there's some sort of moat that was hard to see and you can get destroyed. Okay, so my landing did do some damage. Okay, let's do the Helldive. Oh, I couldn't do the Helldive in time. Alright, let's try out the ion. It's funny sound effects here. Now this has quite a good range. Let's try to make use of the range. Oh, so the ion, well, it's like a medium Zeus in a way, same range. Interesting map. It's easy to get lost. So actually this is a good weapon to jump and zap. Because it's like the Zeus, it's not like the Scourge where you have to be in constant contact in visual line of sight. Alright, let's try out the dock now. That was previously the Rogatka. That should be quite a lot of firepower, but the reload time is 5 seconds, which doesn't quite match the 15-second cooldown. So there's going to be a lot of cooldown time, which unfortunately is... There, I got him, but there wasn't very much life left in that robot. Yeah, so it's only 5 seconds, so it's like a Zeus. There's a lot of medium weapons lately. Okay, quick draw, a zap again. But unfortunately now, the cooldown, again, still another few seconds of cooldown here, so it's not a very well matched weapon. Okay, let's leave battle and then let's try out that Thunder and Gust again. So as you saw, it's quite funny. You fall into the moat, or I guess the areas of the map that you shouldn't use, then you're dead. Let's try this again now. That was actually good to show you. Now, being that you have to be in quite close proximity to do that Helldive, the Thunder and the Gust are probably good options. And again, you shouldn't use a jump unnecessarily, because that's your invincibility and stealth. Yeah, it's quite slow. Kind of slow. Still somewhat slow. Okay, now I won't go there because I'm going to fall. Now that I know. Yeah, you're quite a target when you're in the open. It's not quite fast enough. Oh, so you still do damage while you're in the air because that weapon did target you. Now there's 18 seconds before the next jump is possible, so that Helldive is possible, so that's quite a long time. So don't use it necessarily, oh, I'm already damaged. Yeah, I'm already goner. Alright, well thank you for watching. That has been the demonstration of War Robots Test Server version 3.7.0, iteration 411, or package 411, to 2018, February 24th, 25th. Thank you again for watching.